Let me introduce the speaker for today, Mr. Benzi Salibio. He is my mentor in this business. Okay, he was the one guiding me. So he was the one introduced me about this business. So I am an IT engineer. I don't know about this business, but because of him, look, I was like, living the life that I want right now. Like, no job. I'm at home right now. Like, I am having a time of my life. So, and I want you guys to have the same. Okay? So, without further ado, let us welcome Mr. Bensi Salibio. Sir Bensi?
Hello, everybody. Thank you all for staying with us. Thank you for joining us in our Zoom webinar. Your time is so valuable, so precious to us. Thank you, Mr. Ace, for giving me a few introduction about myself. And again, guys, thank you so much for staying with us. Now, please do write down your questions during our webinar. I'm sure you already read our house rules. Now, after the webinar, after our presentation, you can ask me all of your written questions. Okay, just to make it clear that our screen is clear, my voice is clear, so we can start. Okay, just give me a thumbs up. Please open your camera so at least we have a good communication today. Although we are in Zoom, but at least it looks like that we are doing face-to-face conversation. Okay, so let's get started. Now, welcome to International Online Franchise Business Program. My name is Benzi Rossetti Salivio, and I have a lot of inquiries in my social media. They keep on asking me what are the requirements for us to be a part of this program for this business. I said we have a few. First, all you have to do is empty your cup. Why? Because if your cup is full, it's gonna be hard for you to understand this presentation. Okay, so during our presentation, please empty your cup so it's easier for you to understand, okay, what we're going to talk to. Number two, be coachable. No restriction of age or education. Do not be proud because God opposes the proud and gave grace to the humble. Okay, that's number four. And number five, listen and be a student. Number six, God is the center of this organization. We've been doing a lot of businesses, me and my family, me and my wife. But unfortunately, if we don't, okay, what we realize, if we don't put God in our center, in our lives, especially in the center of our business, we will always struggle in the business. Okay, that's what makes us different to other companies, to other organization because God is the center of this business. Number seven, be humble even when you are successful. So those are the basic requirements for you to understand our presentation, and I'm sure you can do that. Now, this is me for the past 27 years in Dubai. I work in Dubai since 1997. Okay, so I came here to work as a bartender. Now, this is my last job. I work in one of the King's yacht here, okay, being a bartender, okay, and a service crew in the yacht. Okay, so this is me, but we will not talk about myself. Let's talk about yourself, how you improve, how to earn in this program. Now, in the next 5 years, AI and robotics could replace the following 20 jobs. Okay, whether we like it or not, AI and robots will come very, very soon. Now, if you're not ready for changes, it's gonna be hard for you to get a job. Okay? Now, just I'll give you a few seconds to read those 20 jobs. Okay? And of course, there's a lot more, not only 20 jobs, there's more. Okay, even the fast food workers, waitresses, bank tellers, cashiers, truck drivers, and a lot more. Okay, the good thing is this business opportunity is a preparation in the next 5 years. Now, in every businesses, income is very, very important. I would like to show you some of the people who earn here whenever they are free, aside from employment. Now, this is the person who introduced us this business, Frewin Go. He is our family friend. He invited us for the past 8 years to join in this opportunity, to join in this program, but we refuse. Why? That's very natural response of every human being. We have doubts. And it's been 8 years. Okay. We just started actually last March only. And take note, he is our family friend. Now, this is his accumulated income for the past 8 years. He's doing this business for the past 8 years, full time. He already resigned in his job. Now, this is Mr. Ace. He is an IT engineer and he's just doing this whenever he is free. And Elena, okay, she is a telemarketer, restaurant server, or a waitress. Neveline, okay, 14 years as staff nurse in Abu Dhabi. Miss Flora, okay, and house manager, housekeeper, Cheryl. So we are doing this business whenever we are free. And this is me, my accumulated income since March up to August. Okay, now we have yet small, not yet big, but at least what is important, like I said, in any businesses, income is very, very important. Now, we're not showing you to brag you, but what you're showing you just to share that if you do this opportunity, do this program, okay, you will definitely earn. Okay. And of course, this is my family here in Dubai. We are all here, me and my wife, my kids, and they're staying with us. And they're studying here also in university. Okay, making extra money is way more better than just getting a salary. Okay, if you're working now, that's good. But if you put add on or extra, that would be better. Okay, now I would like to show you some of the famous online store in Africa. And I'm sure you all know Jumia, Konga, okay, Payporte, okay, international, eBay, Timo, AliExpress, okay, and Amazon. Those are the famous online store or franchise store in the world. Now, our platform is the same like this, but the difference is you will be the owner of your own online store. Now, again, if you create an online store, okay, you need to have a big capital. Why? Because you have to pay for your website. You have to pay for online store. You have to pay for your products. You have to pay for business license, rental, government permits, utilities, warehouse, inventory, logistics, insurance, salary of the employees, and many more. Now you need at least million of dirhams or dollars for you to create an international online store. Okay. Now the question is, what we will expect in our presentation. First, you will get a free international online store that worth 100,000 to 1 million dirhams. Now, let's talk about United Arab Emirates currency. Oh, just to inform you that we are all here in Dubai, me and my family. Okay, we are here in Dubai. Okay, and this online store, it is a fully activated 24/7 and all year working. Okay, even you're sleeping, you can earn. Why? Because the company process, our system process payments, orders, deliveries. It's all working. It's fully activated and you will get it for free. High quality products with worldwide customers. Remember that our customers, okay, in online store, there's no limit. Less operational expenses and countless benefits of exceptional earnings. So those are what we're going to expect in our webinar today. Now, just to show everybody that all legitimate businesses offer products and they make sales. Now, whether we like it or not, all of the legitimate businesses in the world, they got products and they sell their products. For example, Mercedes-Benz. What are the products of Mercedes? They are luxury cars. What are products of Starbucks? They're coffee. This is a coffee shop. What are the products of Adidas, Nike? Shoes or shirts. Now, every legitimate businesses in the world, they have products and they make sales. That's why if somebody offer you an opportunity, just invest to us and do nothing without products, get scared. Why? because probably those people, they are trying to fool you or they're trying to scam you, take advantage about you. Okay, do not join them because basically all legitimate businesses in the world, they got products and they make sales. And of course, our foundation, God said, if you don't, okay, plant, you don't get a harvest. If you don't work, you do not eat. Okay, that's that's a command of our God, right? That's the basic foundation of human being. Now, very, very important also the credibility and integrity of each company. Okay, the transparency of the owners and the company. Now, the question is how to become a part of this franchise business. Very, very easy. All we have to do is to make partnership with a very established and financially stable company, international winning company. It's been known around the world, high quality products and halal certified. Even our brothers and sisters, Muslim, they can also benefit our products. FDA approved in all countries that we have branches, philanthropic, generous, and very rewarding. Number six, affordable entry with products. When you pay, you get back a products more than, okay, the capital that you paid for. Number seven, access to portal and all trainings. What is portal? This is where you can monitor your business online. Even if you don't have experience in this business, we will teach you because we have our modules from step one onwards. Now, like I said, this is the good news. You will get a free website, online store, products, business license, free rental, government permits, utilities, and many more. The company paid for this one. You don't need to pay all of these things. Okay? The company already paid for it. Okay? Now, the company name is JC. JC is an award-winning company for the past 10 years already, going 11 years, okay, established in 2013 and very well known from health, wealth, and wellness products globally. And the question is, what is the future? What is the future of wellness business? Now, I research. Now, when I found out it is $1 trillion industry, it means this kind of business is really huge. It is solid. Now, you see the top two, we check, those are our business. JC, it means J, Jonathan, and C, Carl or Carlito. Okay, they are partners, they are friends before until now, and they have a lot of businesses even in the Philippines. Now, they've been featured also in different magazines, newspapers, televisions in our country and even outside or international. It adds more credibility to the owners and to our company. Now, we have three headquarters or corporate office in the Philippines, and we expand international. We have two in Dubai, in Abu Dhabi. Okay, just to remind everyone, during the pandemic, 2 years, okay, we don't have sales that much because everything is hold. There's no shipping, there's no cargo, no raw materials because of COVID. For 2 years, even if we don't have sales, the company stands. It means we have a very solid foundation of our company. We have also in Qatar, Singapore, Taiwan, and Italy, Canada, Malaysia, and Switzerland. Those are business center or franchise. And many more to open like in your country. Okay, now, because of our perfect winning product, we already have a ready and sure market. Why? Because our product prevents premature death. Now, what is the meaning of premature death? That you dies earlier than expected before reaching an age that is considered normal or natural. Where we get this premature death from? Our bad lifestyles. Unhealthy eating, lack of exercise, very high stress. You know what? If you are stressed, your body system become acidic. And when your body become acidic, and that's the time you will get this premature death. Very famous, the top five: high blood or hypertension, diabetes, arthritis, cancer, insomnia. Those are silent killers. It's not a joke. Okay? See, look at Elvis Presley. Only 42 years old. Steve Jobs, very famous, very rich, too much money, but only age of 56. Imagine. See, Matthew Spalvak, only 19 years old. Myrna, only 36 years old. Bob Marley, I'm sure you all know Bob Marley, only 36 years old. Irfan Khan, 53 years old. These people are very, very famous people, and they have money, but because of sickness, okay, they lost their lives. So I'm showing you some of the rich and famous people that pass away because of illnesses. Now, according to the WHO or World Health Organization, the lifespan of every human being is only 73 years old. Now, if you're 40, if you're 50 now, minus 73, so what will you do with your balanced life? Okay, very, very important to be healthy. Why? Because if you are a breadwinner in your family, okay, our family needs us. They're expecting about us to support them, to take good care of them. We need to work hard. And of course, we need to invest in our health. Because if you are healthy, you can create wealth. Okay, for you to extend your life, to have a longer life, okay, we should have to be healthy. Now, good news. Of course, there's a good news. One of the Japanese doctor scientists, over 13 years of research, over 150 research plans. There's only one can heal, okay, the premature death and many more illnesses. It's only barley, okay? Because if you are drinking synthetic drugs, especially if you have maintenance in your diabetes, in your hypertension, and many more, synthetic drugs could lead to side effects. Okay, again, your liver, your kidney will get sick soon. Okay, for you to prevent sickness, drink barley juice or barley grass. Okay, it can cure also diseases. We have a lot of testimonials in this product. Now, our product is a multifunctional product. Why? Because it helps a lot. As you can see, all of these, okay, all of these illnesses, okay, our product can heal or can help this, okay, illnesses. Now, for those people who have health issues, you have to consume at least 2 sachets of our barley juice to get the maximum health benefits. Now, I would like to show you some of the information about our product and the health benefits.
Are you ready to experience a game changer in the wellness world? Look no further, our House of Nutrients. Our organic barley grass powder is loaded with a full spectrum of essential vitamins and minerals, including these vitamins. JC Organic Barley is 25 times richer in potassium than bananas, 7 times richer in vitamin C than oranges, 11 times richer in calcium than milk, 5 times richer in iron than spinach, plus beta-carotene, panasonic acid and folic acid. That's not all. It also contains amino acid, chlorophyll, fiber, protein and enzyme. Based on research studies of National Library of Food that provides nutrition and eliminates toxins from cells in human beings. Its functional ingredients have played an important role for therapeutic chronic diseases. With a nutrient profile like that, JC Organic Barley has a lot to offer the human body. Not only does JC Organic Barley taste great, but it also boasts a range of incredible alcohol, drugs, nicotine and other addictive substances, making it a valuable tool in addiction recovery. Anti-cancer, plus, it has been shown to have preventative and curative effects against cancer cells, including breast cancer and colon cancer. Bone health, and let's not forget about bone health, JC Organic Barley is a rich source of calcium and keeping your bones healthy and strong. Weight loss, JC Organic Barley is also an excellent addition to your weight loss journey. Our organic barley grass powder contains insoluble fiber, which curbs hunger and prevents overeating, making it easier to stick to your health goals, and also helps improve digestive and gut health. Diabetes. The dietary fiber and other functional ingredients of barley grass also has a significant reduction in fasting blood sugar levels, which helps fight diabetes. Barley grass, which is rich in vitamins A, bone, C and E, also prevents cardiovascular diseases that helps regulate blood pressure. JC Organic Barley has so much to offer. What makes us different from other barley brands in the market? 20-30 cm. Well, JC Organic Barley Grass is carefully cut when it is about 20 to 30 cm, processed and packaged to ensure that you receive the highest quality product possible. Made in New Zealand, we guarantee that a product will exceed your expectations. JC Organic Barley only comes from the best source, which is in New Zealand, where the soil and climate meets all the requirements for the most nutritious packed barley grass to grow into. With all of these fantastic health benefits, this nutritional powerhouse and freshly made New Zealand superfood is also proven and tested by many users worldwide. So, why not give JC Organic Barley a try? Trust us, your taste buds and your body will thank you. Add this miracle product to your daily routine and experience the difference it can make in your life with New Zealand's JC Organic Barley.
Okay, so I'm sure you already know, at least you get the information of our company and our products, how effective is our product. And take note, our product, okay, there's a lot of barley in the world, but our barley, it's already in the PPD. It means this is a handbook of all the doctors in the Philippines. Only one barley inside of their handbook. Okay, that's why they're giving this to patients already. Okay, we have a high quality of barley. And it's been featured also in Reader's Digest. I'm sure we all know what is Reader's Digest, one of the international oldest, okay, magazine. Again, it adds more credibility to our product and to our company. Fast fact, even the kids, the children can drink our products. There's no restriction of age. Now, and also very high ORAC value or antioxidant value. It means that if you have a high antioxidant in the body, it means that you are protected by any illness coming to you. Okay, we also eat prunes, raisins, kale, spinach, grape. Everybody eats this, okay, vegetables and fruits. But see, look at the ORAC value or the antioxidant value. It's very low. Our barley has 25,500 antioxidant value to protect your body from illnesses. Okay, and of course, even the pregnant women can drink our barley. Okay, it helps a lot to the mother and the baby. Now, all of our products are approved in all international offices. Like I said, we are halal certified. And that's why we are selling by the millions of boxes of barley every day, every week. See, look at them. This is our deliveries in our offices. And after a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, it's all gone. Through the help of social media marketing, that's why we sell worldwide. People need our products. Okay. Now we have plenty of products, but I'm showing you only one, the flagship product of the company. Okay. Our skincare is made in Korea. Okay. One of the best country who create skincare is Korea. Okay. All of our skincare from Korea. Okay. Now, most of the businesses generate their income through wholesale and, okay, retail. Retailing means you can get income but not that much. Small income in retailing. Wholesale, it means big income because you are selling by bulk. Okay? So these two we are entitled to earn in retail and wholesale bundle income. Now, here, like I said before, that you will get a 2 or 1 international online store link, food only in the Philippines. For example, your customer click your health and beauty wellness. Now it goes to our 6 international stores. All of these countries, we have our offices. And like I said, there's more. There's a lot of candidate countries that we will open very, very, very soon, especially in Africa. Now, for example, your customer in United Arab Emirates, and he or she click your online store or the United Arab Emirates office. Now, it shows to them, okay, our online store. All of our products are there. See, as you can see, Marisa, it was an encircle, that's my wife's name. This is her online store. All of the products here are for her. Okay, it means this is our customer's price in our barley, 110 dirhams. Okay, now if you want to buy in your online store, being a member or being a drop shipper, all you have to do is just sign in. Okay, when you click sign in, you will get up to 40% discount. But in Barley, definitely 40% discount for life. Okay, so you will pay only 66 dirhams, United Arab Emirates currency. We will, okay, convert that later on in Google. Okay, just write it down in your questions. Okay, now this is the basic process of our online store. First, our customer click our link and then they will add to cart their products. The company will do the packaging. The company will deliver their orders. And of course, the company will ask the payment and the profit goes to your online wallet. Okay, and you can encash them every week. Our encashment every Tuesdays and Wednesday. Okay, every week you can encash your income through our portal. Okay, so again, this is the fundamental process of our online store or franchise store. Okay, now let's say, for example, in your online store, you have 5,000 sold barley juice. Okay, automatic you get 40%. How much is that? You earn 2,000 dirhams. Now let's say after 6 months, after 1 year, you are selling 50,000 dirhams in your online store. How much is the 40% of barley? That's 20,000 dirhams. Big income also in our online store. Why? Because the world is our customers. We don't have limit in our customers. Through the help of our automated system that we created in our organization, we will get customers. Customers need our products. Now, I would like to show you, okay, because probably you ask, who will be my customers? See, in Nigeria alone, that's 226 million people. Okay, you don't need half of that. Even if you get 50, 100 people using your product and having repeat orders every month, your income is already good. Okay, in Cameroon, 29 million. Again, you need only 50 or 100 customers for you to earn a good income in your online store. In all Africa, 1.49 billion people. How big is your customers? Okay? And world population nowadays, 8 billion. Like I said, there's a lot of customers in the world. Okay? Now, number two, we called retailing face-to-face. Now, this is just an optional if you want to do this. Now, me, I'm not really selling face-to-face because, I feel shy. Okay, but I realized that some of my friends, their parents are having diabetes, arthritis, gout, high cholesterol, cancer, and I have a very, very good product. I should offer them. Now, you don't need to sell, a hard selling. All you have to do is just share the benefits of our product. We sell to the customers. If you are a distributor, only 66, and you earn a profit of 44 dirhams. If you sold 25 boxes, that's 1,100 dirhams in 1 month. And I'm sure all of your customers, they will get repeat orders every month. Okay? And they will also recommend you in their friends. Let's say after a year, after 2 years, you are selling 50 boxes every month. That's 2,200 dirhams. What if you sold 100 boxes every month? That's 4,400. Even retailing face-to-face, you also get a good income. Now, the question is how to start. It's very, very easy. All you have to do is just get a 60-day program, our franchise wholesale bundle. Now, you will not pay this amount. As you can see, this amount, okay, this is not the amount that you will pay. Okay, probably your mobile phone is more expensive to start in this business. Why? This is our regular price. But now we have our promotion. Okay, you don't need to pay 1,719 because of our promotion. You pay only 1,498 dirhams plus the shipping in your country. But of course, if you choose Cell Detox, you get worth 2,100, okay, 60 dirhams worth of products. Okay, so we have two choices or two wholesale bundle for you to choose from: Cell Detox and Platinum Barley. Okay? Cell Detox has 12 capsules and 12 juices, boxes of juices. Platinum Barley has 17 boxes of juices. And again, the worth or the value of our wholesale bundle is 2,000 plus. And the other one, Platinum Barley, is 1,870. Again, for only 1,498. Now, in your country, of course, we will use our payment gateway. Now, PayPanda owned by JC, by our company, just like PayPal. Okay, we're using PayPanda for the past 10 years already, and it's so safe. You don't need to pay for us. Okay, this will be company, okay, transactions. All of our currency, it will be converted into our currency, Philippine peso. That's our currency. Okay, so payment gateway is PayPanda. Okay, now we will get you some of your information, and we will send to our office, and PayPanda will communicate to your email. Okay? All you have to do is just follow the instructions. Okay? And then you get the successful payment screenshot and send to us, and that's the time we will register you in our portal. So it's easy, very, very easy steps for you to pay, okay, to get our wholesale bundle. Now, after getting your wholesale bundle, you will get a full access and step-by-step modules to our modules. So you can learn our business, okay? And also you will get a free training in social media ads. This is very, very important. Intentional mentorship, free online store, personal dashboard where you can monitor your business online and portal, incentive program, and lifetime income and discount up to 40%. And of course, you are entitled to upgrade to get up to 60% lifetime discount and profit. Okay, now, retailing, we're done with retailing. Now, let's talk about the wholesale bundle income. Okay, now first, these people who are asking us how to be a part of this company, how to join in this company, how to start in this business. Those are the people who ask us queries every day. These people who inquire regarding the business opportunity, they are buying the wholesale bundle. Okay? Remember, all of these inquiries, they are buying wholesale bundle. Those people who are buying piece by piece, they are buying in our online store. Okay? So you have to know the difference, okay, between retailing and wholesale bundles. Okay? Now, let's talk about the unlimited new associate commission of 266 dirhams. Whenever somebody buy from you a wholesale bundle, you get paid 266 dirhams. Now, there is no limit on selling, okay, wholesale bundle. Every time you sold a wholesale bundle, you get paid a new associate commission of 266 dirhams. Again, like I said, there's no limit on selling wholesale bundle. Okay? It doesn't matter one person purchased 2, 3, 4, 5 wholesale bundle, but the company pay you per person 266 dirhams. Okay? There's no limit. Now, those people who purchase their wholesale bundle, we need to register them in our portal for them to become a new associate or for them to become a distributor. Okay, when you sold two, you get paid 100 dirhams. Again, when you sold two wholesale bundle, okay, from two person, each person purchased one, again, additional of 100 dirhams. Now, like I said, after 6 months, after 1 year, we got plenty of inquiries. People are buying their wholesale bundle. Now, the company gave us a maximum income of franchise commission of 100 dirhams. How much? That's 1,000 dirhams per day. And if you get that per day, of course, in 1 month, you have 25,000 dirhams. Okay, like I said, people are asking how to be a part of this business. Okay, whenever you sold a wholesale bundle, okay, of course, after 6 months, after 1 year, you will get plenty of inquiries, and of course, you earn the maximum income. Okay, now the question is probably some people they said 25,000 is very less. I need more. Now the company create an upgrade. If you upgrade, you are eligible for an income multiplier. It means that if you purchase one wholesale bundle, your income, your maximum income per month is 25,000 dirhams. If you upgrade, you get three wholesale bundle. Your rank is sapphire, and of course, that's three times. That's 75,000 dirhams per month. If you upgrade to seven and you become an emerald, that's 175,000. If you upgrade to 15, you become ruby, that's 375,000 and 775,000 per month if you upgrade on 31 wholesale bundles. Okay, now the question is, if I purchase 31 wholesale bundle, this will be my income doing nothing? Of course, the answer is no. Just like planting a seed. For example, a mango tree. If you plant a seed like a mango tree, it will take time to bear fruit. It's the same in our business. But of course, the good thing is everything is easier now. It's not manual anymore. Like you guys, we don't know you. Okay? You found us. That's the power of advertising in social media. Like I said, we will teach you that for free as well. Okay. Now also, you are entitled to our incentive programs like having car, a free house, okay, free shopping, and a food card. Now, this is our new product we called milk tea. Now, we've been waiting for the approval here in UAE, and when it's approved, okay, we will create our milk tea franchise here. Okay, and we have more products to come. We have more products to come. Like I said, probably when you start in this business, your mobile phone is more expensive to start. Why? Because you don't need to pay 50,000, you don't need to pay 100,000 or 200,000. It costs you only 1,498 dirhams plus the shipping fee. Okay. Now, the good thing, what I like most, okay, in this business or company, okay, when you are earning, for example, 100,000 dirhams, 200,000 dirhams, 5,000 dirhams, okay, every month, and you died, it could be transferred to your beneficiary. Okay, that's why this business is lifetime. Okay, now the question is, which is more important, money or health? Of course, the answer is health. And of course, if you are healthy, you can create money. Okay, like I said, it should be balance. Okay, let's create a healthier lifestyle. Therefore, if you've been praying for a long time to God, that Lord gave me, okay, and show me the right opportunity, okay, and finally God answered your prayer. Like I said, the decision you will make right now will have a lasting impact in your family, in your life, and whatever circumstances you are facing right now, always remember that God loves you. That's why it's not accident that you are here in our Zoom webinar. Now, we were going to answer your questions, all of your written questions. Now, feel free to ask.